Our washer, man, I'm just lightly applying heat to it, just to soften it up, soften up the goo. Going on, Saunders Lifestyle. Today's another day out here in the UK. As you guys can see, it's pretty cloudy out today. That's not going to stop me from messing with some cars today. So DIY, not really DIY, I'm just swapping some tires out on the Hellcat. As you guys can see, I got that 707 sitting behind me here. It is about to be fall / winter, however you want to call it. The weather's changing and I'm about to take these wheels off. So a lot of people love them, a lot of people hate them, but I'm swapping back over to the stocks. Well, stocks, semi-stocks. But as you guys know, I bought these tires probably about maybe 6 months ago. Brand new, still haven't used them. The last ones I had was the Nito 555Rs. And these are the Toyo Proxes R888R. So definitely going to give you guys a review on how I like these. But I'm definitely about to swap these out right now. Throwing these on here and taking the 4Gs off, man. So stay tuned in, stay locked in. If you haven't, go ahead and smash that button. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, share. Turn on all post notifications for any future videos, because I'm going to keep giving y'all videos weekly. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright guys, so I was able to swap out the wheels, put the stocks back on, got the 10.5s in the back, the replicas with the 888Rs or R888s. So let me know what y'all think, man. Let me go ahead and give y'all some of this B-roll. You already know I gotta do that in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Alright, so what y'all think, man? Should I keep the Forgiatos on or should I leave these on? I know a lot of folks gonna say keep these on because it's what the car's made for, is to be out actually getting it in on the road, and these Toyos is supposed to be what's happening, and it's supposed to get you stuck to the ground. So I'll probably gonna leave these on for a while, especially throughout the winter. Probably gonna drive the Hellcat that much throughout the winter, obviously, because of the weather. But yeah, man, I'm liking it. There's one other thing I want to do though, man. I'm gonna go ahead and do this right now, show you guys how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna change up the car, man. I'm gonna change it up, the look of it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to remove this stripe. Let's get to it. All right, guys, like I told you guys, been thinking about this for a while. I want to change up the look of the car, man. As you guys know, I like all the flashy, crazy stuff, man. Kind of where the car pops. So it's time for me to change this up a little bit on the Hellcat. I'm probably not going to do it right now, as into reapplying anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove this vinyl stripe that I put on when I first got the car. So as you guys can see on the rear right here by the camera, it got scratched by somebody with their bicycle. And then at the end of the day, excuse me, this material is a matte white, so it's got a lot of specs on it, man. So it's definitely time for me to change this out, and I don't feel like reapplying another stripe on it. I'm gonna do something totally different come springtime of next year. So without that, man, let me go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna remove this. I got to be very careful though on this aftermarket piece here, because I don't know the preparation and all that stuff that went into prior to them painting this, because I didn't paint this at all. So I got to be very careful with this, as well as the little deal up here, this extra little window spoiler. So just gonna take my time pulling it off, and then obviously with the rest of the car should come off fairly easy. But I'm just gonna do is just take my heat gun, apply some heat to it, and slowly peel this thing off, man. So check it out. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Just lightly applying heat to it, just to soften it up, soften up the goo. That way it comes off easier. Like I said, I gotta be very delicate with this because it's aftermarket, and it was painted. Typically your aftermarket paint jobs, depending on how they prepped it, you can lift the paint off the car while removing the wrap.
"2,000 years later."
All right, guys, let me know what y'all think, man. Thing looking pretty good, solid red, looking like the red ruby again. Check me out. Bam. Let me know what y'all think, man. Leave in the comments below on some new ideas what to do with the wrap, because I'm planning on wrapping it again. I don't know if I'm gonna do a full wrap or just do partial, man, but let me know what y'all think.
Let's get it! Yeah! Appreciate you guys checking in with me today. SARS Lifestyle, and we out.